Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh sir YouTube channel. Today is Rajesh sir will teach you the chemistry. In chemistry, we are studying the structure of atoms. In structure of atoms, we have studied the structure of some atoms in the some models presented by the different model, different scientists presented here. J.J. Thomson's model or Ford models, so Bohr's and Niels Bohr's models, and the different types of the some models is here present with their one systematic way one by one. So we will explain each model so that you can understand it well and aggregate secure more and more some marks in our upcoming examinations and shape your futures. So don't forget to share, subscribe these channels. Otherwise, you will miss the video and miss the opportunity. Because opportunity knock the door. But once it is well known statements in this quote was given in English word. So one by one we will discuss about here today's I will teach you and study you the structure of an atoms in a model. First model is J.J. Thomson's model of an atoms. 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 It is the first scientist. J.J. Thomson's model of atoms. He was the first scientist who proposed model of atoms. Who proposed the model of an atoms. It according to him, according to this model, it is similar to the Christmas pudding. It is similar to the Christmas pudding. Christmas puddings means that Christmas, you will see the Christmas is somewhat the Christmas pudding is a Christmas pudding electron in sphere of the positive charge, where electron is in the sphere of positive charge. Sphere of the positive charge wears like a red in colors. Where like red edible not electrons, where like we can say that's a dry fruits, wears like dry fruits in where like dry fruits of current in Christmas pudding. Christmas puddings, like current in Christmas puddings, and it is also known as it is also known as the other parts are known as the other parts is said to be the red in colors, known as the watermelons, shape watermelons in which the electrons positive charge positives positive charge are all red edible part and we can say there are all radial parts and negative charges. Radial parts in the all seeds are considered as a negative charge electrons. All negative charges are electrons. Positives postulates. Now we will discuss about the postulate of J.J.Thomson's model of atoms. Of J.J.Thomson model of an atoms. What does the postulate state about J.J.Thomson's model of atoms? So J.J.Thomson's are spheres. So he said the electrons are embedded in the sphere. First, electrons are embedded in sphere. Electrons are embedded in spheres as positive charge. The second, positive and negative charge are equal in. Second, positive and negative charge are equal in magnitude. Equal in magnitudes. So atoms are. That is why the atoms are electrically neutral. Atoms are electrically neutrals. And the third is telling that mass of the atoms are the atoms. Here is the mass of the atoms. We have discussed mass of the atoms in which all the things and the mass of the atoms is assumed. Mass of the atoms is assumed here. So that's known as positive and negative charge is also included. Mass of the atoms is assumed in uniformly embedded or distributed. Atoms is uniformly distributed in it. Distributed distributed throughout the atoms. In or throughout the atoms. So here is the postulate. 3 postulates is given there, and then we will discuss about the limitations of J.J.Thomson's model of an atoms. Here is the limitations. We will discuss about the limitations of J.J.Thomson's model of any atoms. What was the limitations? Here is that he said that the electrons limitations it does not explain the this model. First, this model does not explain. This model does not explain the Rutherford form of model models, and according to these models and according to him, nucleus is absent in this model. nucleus is absent in this model. And third and the second part is here, its stability of atoms was not explained, because if the electron and proton, that is positive and negative, are positive, that is positive and negative charge could not remain could not remain so equally, positive and negative charge could not remain so close together, because you know that close together becomes that so close together. Okay, if they come in so close together, atoms are positive and negatives get accumulators, and it may blast or it may becomes neutrals. So it cannot completely come under Rutherford models, and the different models cannot satisfy by this model. So it was completely discarded. Thank you very much for coming on. So once again, so I am giving my warm welcome to all of you. Please do subscribe, share, and to your colleagues. Okay, thank you.